Hi everybody, welcome to me, Kevin at Smart Home Improvement People today. So what we're going to talk about today is something that I've done videos about in the past, not recently, but I have done them, about the cheapest way that you can double glaze your house. Because this time of year is when people start thinking about that, conservatories, extensions, all that type of stuff. So what is the cheapest way? Now, one way you can go is just book the company that you know of. I know people that have done that. You know, when I used to knock on doors, I remember a lady down in Hilsea, which is part of Portsmouth, quite an affluent part of Portsmouth, and she would only use Anglian. But you can go down that route because they know you're only going to use them, can work out expensive. So, wouldn't go down that route. Now, the next alternatives are using websites like Check a Trade, builder.com, put a little inquiry in, and they send a few people your way. That's one option. Next option is where you got websites like my website, which is Smart Home Improvement, people where we work with selected few companies that we have trust with. You know, there's companies like myself, Get a Tradesman, Leads to Trade. You know, they have multiple websites, and they're companies that they know, they trust, they know that the customer's going to get a fair price and they're going to be treated properly. So you got that option. The next option, which is what I've actually physically done myself, but it is a bit of a ball ache, to be honest, and this is the other option of what you can do. And you can save yourself a ridiculous amount of money, because I remember probably about 2, maybe 3 years ago, I went and put a blog out. And as I was saying before, all my kids decided to run in soaking wet in their wet coats and clothes straight from school. The other thing you can do, and this is something I've done, and it got me in a lot of trouble, because I put a couple posts out a few years ago, basically blog saying that you could get double glazing done from anything from about £300 a window to about £700. Now, I never got to the bottom of what companies these people came from that took exception with what it said in the blogs, because but I'm guessing they came from the likes of probably, and I am making assumptions of like Anglian or Everest, somebody like that. Don't know, they've never admitted to it, who they were coming from. But they attacked me online saying, oh, you're lying to people, you cannot get your double glazing done that cheap. Now the reality is, you can. If you're willing to do the research and you're willing to do the donkey work and go looking online and, you know, put a couple of hours aside, maybe not even a couple of hours, maybe half an hour to an hour, and go on looking online, work out what the size of your window is, you can get it dirt cheap. Okay. Some of the time you may need to find out how much it costs to get an installer. Check a Trade, classic example. There's plenty of installers out there that are actually install them for you. But you can easily get a decent window for as little as about 300 quid. It is possible. You may have to shop around quite a bit, but it can be done. And you're basically paying wholesale prices at the end of the day. You know, like I said, I did do a video about it. I think it was, I got a feeling it was last year. I haven't looked through my videos to see when it was. It was probably beginning of last year when I was doing that on, you know, on that composite doors, bifold doors, all that type of stuff. So if you want to go through my videos, be my guest, go and have a look. It's probably on there. And I might have even put some of the companies you can actually go to. If I didn't, and you want to know, send me a message and I'll give you a list of the companies as well where I managed to find that they were doing it dirt cheap. If you need to save money, that is, you know. So I hope this video has helped you out a bit. Okay, if it has helped you out, if you could please like and share the video. Okay. And obviously put a comment as well, it always helps me out. Obviously, and also if you could always follow us as well, because it obviously does help us grow at the end of the day and get more content out there for everybody to watch. But for now, thanks for listening, and I'll speak to you again a bit later.